Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the air filter housing on your string trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. Depress the retaining tab to release the air filter cover. Then remove the filter. Using a T25 Torx bit, unthread the mounting bolts securing the air filter housing and carburetor. Unhook the Z-end of the throttle cable from the carburetor and detach the cable from the old housing to fully remove. Install the new air filter housing by feeding the throttle cable through the hole, then snap it into place. Connect the Z-end of the cable to the carburetor throttle lever. Confirm that the carburetor outlet gasket is intact, along with the O-ring on the carburetor. Then position the housing and insert the bolts. Position the assembly, then thread and tighten the bolts. Position the air filter in the new housing and replace the cover.